Robots are also immune to many of the limitations of human soldiers. They don't experience fear, fatigue, or emotion, allowing them to operate effectively in high-stress environments. Additionally, robots can be deployed in hazardous environments, such as those contaminated with chemical or biological weapons, without putting human lives at risk.
Furthermore, robots can be produced and deployed more cost-effectively than human soldiers in the long run. The initial investment in developing and acquiring robotic systems may be high, but the ongoing costs of training, feeding, and providing healthcare to human soldiers are eliminated.
Section 4. The perils of a machine-driven battlefield. Despite the potential benefits, the prospect of robotic warfare also raises serious concerns.
One of the most pressing issues is the ethical implications of using machines to kill. Critics argue that delegating life or death decisions to machines is morally unacceptable, as it removes human judgment and compassion from the equation.
Another concern is the potential for job displacement. As robots become more sophisticated, they may replace human soldiers in many roles, leading to unemployment and economic disruption. This raises questions about the future of the military profession and the role of humans in an increasingly automated battlefield.
The control and accountability of robotic systems are also major concerns. Ensuring that these machines operate as intended and do not cause unintended harm is crucial. The possibility of hacking or malfunctioning robots poses a significant risk, as does the potential for these systems to fall into the wrong hands.
Section 5. The uncertain future of war. The future of warfare is uncertain, but one thing is clear: robots will play an increasingly prominent role. The development and deployment of autonomous weapon systems are already underway, and this trend is only likely to accelerate in the coming years.
As we enter this new era of warfare, it is essential to engage in a thoughtful and informed discussion about the implications of robotic warfare. We must consider the ethical, legal, and practical challenges posed by these technologies and work towards developing international norms and regulations to govern their use.
The future of warfare is not predetermined. It is up to us to shape the development and use of these powerful technologies in a responsible and ethical manner. The choices we make today will determine whether robotic warfare leads to a safer and more peaceful world or a future fraught with new and unforeseen dangers.